Hello, I would like to show you our push-pull laser welding system. This is the laser from AK Industries, Max Photonics. Then we have the robot controller and the control unit for the servo drives in the push-pull motor and at the backside, and also in safety SPS. This light is for the laser, and we have another light here at the backside. It's for the robot system. And here you can see our feeder system. It's with a 4-roll feeder, and here are 2 buttons for wire forward and backward, then a bending unit for the wire, and here's the box. And then you can see here, this is the hose for the wire. It's a roll liner. Here we have an unit that the welding line can move a little bit forward and backward. And here you can see the push-pull unit. It's a servo motor. This servo motor is synchronized with the servo motor at the backside. Then here we have the clamping system, the hold one for the torch. And here you have a system with a small camera. We have a monitor to see what the robot is doing. We have our teach control here and tool changer. And the system comes with a UR cap, then you can move the wire forward and backward with a UR cap. Yeah, and this is the laser welding system.